Now question number 12. Relative to the origins, the position vector of the point A, B, C are OA is 1, 7, OB is 7, 4 and OC is k time of 1, 2, where k is the scalar constant. Given that C lies on the line AB, use a vector method to find the ratio of AC is to AB. So there is a concept that we have the AB and C lies on the line of AB. So we need to find the ratio of AC is to AB. First we find the AB. AB is equals to OB minus OA. So OB is equals to 7 and 4 minus OA is 1 and 7. So we will have 7 minus 1 is 6 and 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So this one is AB. Now we find AC. AC is equals to OC minus OA. And AC is given which is k time of 1, 2 minus OA is 1, 7. So solving this one, k time 1 is k time 2 is 2k. 1k and 2k minus 1 and 7. Further solving we will have k minus 1 and 2k minus 7. So this one is AC. Now to find the ratio, we consider that AC is equals to the m time AB. When we multiply some constant with AB, we get the AC. So plugging the value of AC and AB we just calculated, then we can find the two equation. For example, AC is k minus 1 and 2k minus 7 is equals to m time AB, which is 6 and negative 3. Now further solving we will have k minus 1 and 2k minus 7 equals to the m times 6 is 6m and m times negative 3 is negative 3m. Comparing the upper component and lower component means horizontal component and vertical component. So we will have k minus 1 equals to 6m, and when we compare the vertical component, 2k minus 7 is equals to negative 3m. So this equation can be written as k minus 6m equals to 1, and this equation can be written as 2k plus 3m equal to 7. We have two equations and two variables k and m. So we can solve these two equations simultaneously to find the value of k and m. So if we multiply equation 1 by 2 and subtract from the equation, we will get the value of m. For example, 2 times equation 1 is 2k minus 12m equals to 2. So 2k minus 12m equals to 2, and subtracting we will have k will be cancelled out and this one will be equals to the 15m equals to the 5. So m in this case is 5 over 15, which is equals to 1 over 3. So we have calculated the value of m. Now plug this value of m in equation 1 to get the value of k. Plug m is equal to 1 over 3 in equation 1. So we will have k minus 6 times m, which is 1 over 3 equals to 1. So this one will be cancelled out and we will have 2. So k minus 2 is equals to 1 and k is equals to 3. Now we have considered AC is equal to m times AB. So AC is equals to m times AB, and we know that we calculated the value of m, which is 1 over 3. So AC is equals to 1 over 3 AB. Now AC over AB is equals to 1 over 3. So we can say that ratio of AC and AB is equals to 1 is to 3. that was required. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please share with your friend and subscribe.